What if there was a cryptocurrency that could revolutionize global payments, save money, and make transactions nearly instant? Meet XRP. Today, we're diving into what XRP is, where it came from, and where it could be headed in the future. If you're curious about the future of money, stay tuned. XRP is a digital currency created by Ripple Labs to solve a major problem in global finance: slow and expensive cross-border payments. Traditional systems like SWIFT are plagued with delays, high fees, and inefficiencies, especially when sending money internationally. XRP aims to be the modern-day solution by making these transactions faster, cheaper, and seamless. At the heart of XRP's innovation is its blockchain technology, the XRP ledger. Unlike Bitcoin, XRP transactions aren't mined. This means it doesn't rely on energy-intensive processes, making it faster and more environmentally friendly. Here's where XRP stands out. Transactions on its network are confirmed in 3 to 5 seconds, with fees so low they are nearly negligible. This makes it ideal for both banks and individuals needing to move money quickly across borders. XRP isn't just a cryptocurrency, it's part of a broader effort by Ripple Labs to modernize the financial world. Its main purpose? To replace outdated systems and make money transfer as easy as sending an email. Who created XRP? XRP was developed by Ripple Labs, a company founded in 2012 with the mission of improving global financial infrastructure. The visionaries behind this game-changing cryptocurrency were Chris Larsen, Jed McCaleb, and David Schwartz. Chris Larsen, an experienced entrepreneur, played a key role in shaping Ripple's focus on creating a decentralized system for secure and efficient transactions. Jed McCaleb, co-founder of the now famous Stellar cryptocurrency, initially designed the XRP ledger as a way to address the flaws he saw in Bitcoin. Meanwhile, David Schwartz, Ripple's chief technology officer, contributed to the innovative technology that powers the XRP ledger. The XRP ledger was built to enable fast, low-cost payments worldwide. Unlike Bitcoin, which was designed as a decentralized store of value, XRP was specifically created to function as a bridge currency for global transactions. This makes it unique in the cryptocurrency space. A common misconception is that Ripple Labs and XRP are the same. Ripple Labs is the company behind the development of XRP and its ecosystem, but XRP itself is an independent digital asset. Ripple Labs holds a significant portion of XRP, but its goal is to push adoption of the technology among banks and financial institutions. By combining technological innovation with practical application, Ripple Labs and its founders created a digital currency designed to truly impact the global economy. How XRP works. At the core of XRP's functionality is its blockchain, the XRP ledger. Unlike traditional blockchains that use proof of work, like Bitcoin, or proof of stake, like Ethereum, the XRP ledger employs a unique consensus algorithm. This algorithm doesn't rely on miners. Instead, it uses a network of validators to confirm transactions. These validators are trusted entities that ensure the system remains decentralized yet efficient. This innovative system allows XRP to process transactions in just 3 to 5 seconds, far quicker than Bitcoin or Ethereum. Additionally, its transaction fees are incredibly low, often costing less than a penny. These features make XRP ideal for high-frequency transactions, whether between individuals or multinational banks. One of XRP's most notable roles is as a bridge currency for cross-border payments. Imagine sending money from the US to Japan. Traditionally, this might involve multiple banks, foreign exchange fees, and delays. With XRP, the process is almost instantaneous. It converts USD to XRP, transfers the XRP across the ledger, and then converts it into Japanese yen, all in a matter of seconds. Ripple Labs has partnered with numerous financial institutions, including Santander and American Express, to integrate XRP into their payment systems. These partnerships enhance liquidity and reduce transaction times, positioning XRP as a serious contender in the world of finance. By combining speed, cost efficiency, and eco-friendliness, XRP and its ledger offer a glimpse into the future of global payments. XRP versus Bitcoin and Ethereum. When comparing XRP to Bitcoin and Ethereum, 3 key factors stand out: speed, cost, and scalability. Bitcoin, the pioneer of cryptocurrency, is often criticized for its inefficiency. Transactions on the Bitcoin network can take up to an hour to confirm during peak times, and the fees can range from several dollars to even more during congestion. It's primarily viewed as a store of value, often referred to as digital gold. Ethereum is faster and more versatile, offering the ability to run smart contracts and decentralized applications. However, it still faces scalability challenges, with high fees during periods of high demand, making it costly for small transactions. XRP, on the other hand, is specifically optimized for payments. Its transaction speed of 3 to 5 seconds far surpasses Bitcoin and Ethereum, and its minimal fees, less than a penny, make it ideal for frequent and cross-border payments. Unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, which focus on decentralization and functionality, XRP's primary use case is to facilitate fast and efficient global payments. This focus on payments positions XRP uniquely in the crypto space, especially for banks and institutions that need to move money quickly and cost-effectively across borders. Price predictions and market potential. The price of XRP has experienced dramatic swings over the years, influenced by both market trends and legal challenges. As of late 2024, XRP's price has fluctuated around 50 cents to $1.20, reflecting its volatility and the impact of ongoing developments. Several factors could influence XRP's price in the future. 1. Ripple's legal battle with the SEC. Ripple Labs has been entangled in a legal dispute with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) over whether XRP should be classified as a security. A favorable outcome could provide regulatory clarity and drive institutional adoption, potentially boosting XRP's price. 2. Adoption by banks and payment providers. Ripple's partnerships with financial institutions worldwide are critical. If banks continue integrating XRP for cross-border payments, its demand could surge. 3. Overall market trends. As with any cryptocurrency, XRP's price is tied to the broader market. A bull market could propel its value higher, while bearish conditions might suppress it. Expert predictions. Conservative estimate, XRP stabilizes around $1.50 to $2 in the short term, assuming moderate adoption and legal clarity. Moderate estimate. With regulatory clarity and increased institutional adoption, XRP could reach $5 within a few years. Bullish scenario. If XRP becomes a global standard for payments, prices could soar to $10 or more, driven by mass adoption and partnerships. Potential price drivers. Mass adoption of XRP in financial institutions. Strategic partnerships, particularly in Asia and the Middle East, where Ripple is expanding. Regulatory clarity globally, reducing hesitation among potential investors. While predictions vary, XRP's potential to transform global payments makes it a cryptocurrency to watch closely. Challenges and risks. Despite its potential, XRP faces several challenges. Regulatory issues. The ongoing legal battle with the SEC is a significant risk. An unfavorable ruling could damage Ripple's reputation and limit XRP's adoption in the US too. Market volatility. Like all cryptocurrencies, XRP's price is subject to extreme volatility, which can deter some investors and institutions from fully committing to its use. Competition. XRP is not alone in the payment-focused cryptocurrency space. Competitors like Stellar, founded by one of XRP's creators, and others aim to address similar issues. Investors must weigh these risks carefully. Always research thoroughly and consider consulting with a financial advisor before investing in XRP or any cryptocurrency. XRP is a revolutionary cryptocurrency aiming to transform global payments. Its future depends on adoption, innovation, and regulatory clarity. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights into the crypto world. Let us know your thoughts on XRP in the comments below.